We finally want to finish repairing this gas lighter from our grill. Last time when we tried to weld it, it got even a bigger hole. So now we're gonna try and fix it with exhaust system sealant with high temp up to 2012 degrees of Fahrenheit for sealing holes and exhaust leaks. And iron reinforced.
Cool, yeah?
Yeah.
What is the manual here?
Application specialty formulated for the assembly of all joints of exhaust system, including mufflers, tailpipes, catalytic converters, and more. Visbella exhaust cement sets hard with heat and can withstand temperatures up to 2012 degrees Fahrenheit.
Okay. There is warnings. Avoid contact with eyes, skin and mouth. Use in well ventilated area. In case of contact with eyes, flush with water immediately for 15 minutes. If irritation persists, seek medical attention. Okay, do not put it in your eyes.
Yeah, I'm not that.
Okay, let's do some hole fixing. Don't shake it.
Okay, but be careful.
Be careful.
Why is it gray?
I don't know. Okay, let's put it something like this. It feels like it's empty. Smells well.
Actually?
Yeah. Cool.
Don't touch it.
Yeah, I can touch it with.
I think that's too much.
No, it's not too much. We'll just put it and give it. We must to fix all our holes.
Here you go.
Yeah. So, it's like silicone, but high temperature.
Yeah, and I think you can't put it on your skin.
Cool. Okay. We need some time to
For it to dry.
Yeah, so it to dry and to heat it. Then we need to heat it.
Oh.
Our hole is ready. It's solid, like a metal. We need to heat it and to paint it. And I think our burner will be okay. Let's do it.
Oh.
It's working.
Working.
We need some time to heat the glue. First try.
Yeah.
Exhaust System Sealant working okay, maybe more than half hour. It's now it's like stone. Cool. I do not trust, but now I can say it's working, and no holes here. Gas isn't leaking. We put it too much here because of that it's like a stone here, like a mountain, but it's working. Look, like stone. Cool.